Human being consists of several elements. There's the physical element, the mind, and there's a spiritual element. Our physical bodies have their own food. Our minds have their own food. And our soul also have theirs. Our physical bodies have their own environment. Our minds have their own environment. And our souls have theirs. We have to understand that if the physical body asks the ruh, the soul, to get out of its environment, then it will feel alienated. And later on, it will be restless. We have to grasp this. That's why when the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam looked for one of his soldiers, a soldier that was missing, and who that was? Hudhud, the bird. He was looking for it, but it was nowhere to be found. What did the Prophet Sulaiman said? To torment him severely. I would slaughter him, and that he would bring me clear authority, if he can bring me an excuse. Where is Hudhud? He said, I will surely punish it with a severe punishment, or even slaughter it, unless it brings me a compelling excuse. The scholars said that the Prophet Sulaiman wanted to punish it with a severe punishment. Then what kind of punishment? The Mufassir say a severe punishment worse than being slaughtered is that it will be placed together with the other species. Do you understand? For example, a bird is kept together with the tigers in one place. This bird will be separated from its kind, kept away from its habitat, and that condition will make it feel depressed. We need to realize that before the soul was blown into the fetus by the angel, the soul itself has its own habitat. And the habitat of the soul is the heaven. We are living on earth. Our soul, their habitat is the heaven. Their nutrition is dhikrullah, the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Therefore, when someone, for example in his life, he never do dhikr to Allah, he does not abide by the rules of Allah, or even go against them, physically he looks great, but his soul is in misery. Even if he lives like a king, in great comfort and luxury, the tangibles like money, food, home, they'll only feed our bodies, things that eventually turn into dust. But soul, it is quenched, it is satisfied, it is satiated by what? By getting closer to its habitat, the heaven. And to bring the soul to the environment of the heaven is through the remembrance of Allah, through dhikrullah. And Allah says, hearts find rest in the remembrance of Allah.